Today we're making a delicious chicken breast with banana bake. Sweet, savory, creamy, perfect for family dinners. Let's get started. Breast with banana. 3 chicken breasts, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 garlic cloves chopped, paprika to taste, salt and pepper to taste, juice of 1 lemon, 3 bananas, 1 tablespoon of butter, 250 milliliters of béchamel sauce, vegetables for serving. Season the chicken breasts with garlic, salt, pepper, paprika, and lemon juice. Let the chicken rest for about 15 minutes. Heat a sauté pan with olive oil over medium heat. Fry the chicken breasts until golden outside and cook through inside. Cut the bananas in half lengthwise. In another sauté pan, melt the butter and fry the bananas until golden. Place the chicken breasts in an oven-proof dish. Add the fried bananas on top of the chicken. Cover everything with béchamel sauce. Bake for about 15 minutes until golden and gratinated. Serve with fresh salad. And there you have it, creamy chicken breast with banana straight from the oven. A simple and comforting meal everyone will love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Faça e coma. Marinating helps keep the chicken juicy and full of flavor. Avoid very high heat so the chicken cooks evenly. Slightly ripe bananas work better for this recipe. For extra color, broil the top during the last 2 minutes.